Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be spilling all the YouTube tea. As you guys know, influencers like to gatekeep everything. How to grow, how to maintain a channel, how to get followers, but over here, I'm trying to help all of you guys. There was actually a huge research study done. A lot of kids these days aspire to be a YouTuber or TikToker or influencer. And I think that's so crazy that people took something that they were just having fun with and they can create a very lucrative career out of. So today I'm gonna talk about the things that I wish I knew before I started a YouTube channel and things that you need to consider before starting your social media and taking it seriously. I did my research and I'm very fortunate that I do have friends who do this professionally. So I learned a lot from them and I'm happy to share the knowledge with you guys. YouTube is an amazing platform that truly helps small creators grow and educate them. Not the sirens in downtown. One second. All right, so topic one, you need nice equipment. I know this is a controversial opinion, and I know a lot of people say,
start with what you have and this and that.
No, baby. I'm sorry to say, you're gonna have to invest in some equipment. But here's the thing, if equipment is stopping you from starting, that is just an excuse. Let's be real with ourselves. We're using procrastination to prevent us from doing what we want. You gotta stop sabotaging yourself and let yourself have the things you want. I'm not saying you need the fanciest Canon Mark V expensive camera, but something that produces a beautiful HD imagery. YouTube quality has only gone up with all these amazing creators on the platform, and people are truly going to click on something that has a more visually appealing and high resolution thumbnail, and when they click the video, they're gonna expect the same quality. So right away, based on first impressions, people are gonna look at your thumbnails and then they'll kind of hover over it and it plays a little bit of your video. And if they don't like what they see, they're not gonna watch it. Of course, when you're first starting and just building your channel and just practicing, getting comfortable in front of the camera, it's totally fine filming with your iPhone. But I personally didn't know how expensive it is to invest in YouTube. Like, you need a camera, you need a tripod, you need some good lighting if you don't have good lights in your house. You need to kind of have like some type of colorful background or paper, and people don't think of that. Everything has to be somewhat visually stimulating at all times. You need good audio as well. Right there, that's gonna run you at least $1,000 for a I'm serious about YouTube setup. I personally use the Canon M50. I highly recommend this camera for creators. The camera flips out from the side, so you can have it on a tripod and still see yourself, especially if you film alone. Also, LED lights from Amazon are pretty inexpensive. I got two for $150, which I know is a little steep, but once you see the difference, you're like, okay, this was worth it. It's nice to invest back in your channel. And what I love about YouTube is the bigger I get and the more money I make from YouTube, and I invest it back into my channel. Because of YouTube, I got a new laptop that helps me edit better. I upgraded my lighting. I've upgraded my audio. Any extra money that I have made from YouTube, I invest back because I just love this so much. Clout chasers. Being friends with people who have millions of followers, I have dealt with so many. Will do anything to be friends with these people. And also it would infuriate them that I was this person who is friends with all these people. They had no idea why. Why me? The person who doesn't even post on Instagram, just hanging out with these people all the time, being in all their vlogs and videos, and just not caring. And even people from my high school who haven't spoken to me would message me trying to hang out, or, oh, I'm coming out to LA, or, oh my God, I miss you so much. It's like, no, you don't. People love to reveal their true intentions. They'll be like, oh my God, I can't believe you're friends with Remy or Alicia. Oh, so that's why you reach out to me. And then also, once you start getting a lot of followers, people start changing. Even when I hit like 10,000 followers on Instagram, people from my hometown started treating me like I was the Kylie Jenner. It's definitely interesting how you start getting treated better and people start paying more attention to you once you start having more clout. It's just an icky feeling. Just remember those people that were there for you when you weren't posting, and those are the people who are gonna be your rocks and keep you humble and grounded in this experience. It costs money to make videos. This might be very specific to the genre I'm in, so I'm in the lifestyle category. So lifestyle is about showing your regular life, shopping, hauls, and just general entertainment. But people don't realize when you're doing an activity for a video, it's gonna cost you a little bit of money. So that's why I think it's important to have a little bit of income coming in, especially when you're a new channel, just to develop some interesting content. If I do a cooking video, I'm gonna have to go out and get the supplies for that if I don't have it already at home, especially like if you start doing challenges. For example, Mr. Beast, he invests all the money that he makes from his YouTube channel back to his videos and back to his challenges. So any of those videos where he buys out the whole store or gives away like $100,000, it's all being fueled from his YouTube channel. You don't want your fun hobby to put you in the negatives. How to grow in the algorithm. People have a lot of confusion about the algorithm and how to even get subscribers. Let me tell you, it's not as complicated as you guys think. YouTube does a pretty good job at explaining this in the Creator Academy, but I will break it down for you really easily. Okay, so ideally, if you're a new channel, you want to make your title as searchable as possible and include this title somewhere in the description and also reflect that in the tags. Now, that being said, don't clickbait because that will start ranking your videos less. People will click on your video and click out. I would say the first few hours are really important. So when you guys see that I post a new video, please click on it and watch all the way through. It really helps my channel out a lot. Depending on how many people click on it, it will start getting recommended on browse features. Now, when it starts getting recommended on browse features to people who might be interested in your channel, that's when you get new eyes on your channel and new subscribers. How do you even do that? Well, first you make a clickable thumbnail, a good title, and something that is watchable. People are watching throughout the video. If you go in your analytics, you can kind of see where people are dipping and diving out of your video. Also, it's really important to post consistently on YouTube, and your subscribers will know when to expect a new video, so then they're already waiting for your new video and then they'll be clicking, which will cause you to go back on browse features, garnering new and fresh subscribers. Also, at any time, any of your videos can go viral. Any video has a fair chance of hitting the algorithm. YouTube does not discriminate, and every new upload is a new chance to get discovered, which I love. Editing and how time consuming it is. People just see the end result of YouTube and don't realize how much work goes into it. It takes me about 30 minutes to just set up the tripod, get the lights together, get myself hyped up and in that mood. You stutter, you mumble, you forget which topic you're on. Usually it takes a good and experienced YouTuber an hour to 3 hours to film a single video. So because I'm a quick learner and my editing isn't as crazy as some YouTubers, it takes me about an hour to 2 hours to do a rough cut and then 30 minutes to an hour to do the creative edit. So the rough cut is cutting out any things that don't make sense just to make the video flow. And then once the flow is good and it's shortened as much as you can. Also, another thing I didn't know is a lot of editing is just plugins. There's websites like Motion VFX and Pixel Film Studios, which a lot of YouTubers use. And you might see these elaborate intros and transitions and graphics. They don't make them. They just buy them and then they drag and drop it in Final Cut Pro. Don't overcomplicate it. YouTube is supposed to be fun and effortless. You're always working on your next video upon upload. And a lot of the videos you see, you have to film throughout the week or throughout the month. For example, what I eat in a week, you have to film throughout the week. Or if you're doing a living room transformation, it's like you have to get the clips of you ordering it, what your place looks like now, and then the clips of the items arriving, you building it, and then the grand reveal. They just think you just sit in front of a camera and boom, bang, it's done. And then once you put in all this hard work, all this effort, all this creativity, you have to leave it up to YouTube to help push out the video to your subscribers and hit the algorithm, hopefully. And then once that video is posted, you're already thinking of what you have to film this week, what is next, what is the next trend. So you're always on this go, go, go mentality, which is great because sometimes when a video doesn't do well, you always have next week to do better. Likes and views dictate success and happiness. All right, guys, the truth tea. Likes and views do matter, and it does affect your mental health. On YouTube, what is a determining factor of success? Views and comments and likes. Unfortunately, as a society, we love instant gratification. So when you post your work, you do look at the comments, you do look at the views because you want to see if what you worked so hard for is reaching the people you want it to. Sometimes for creators, when a video doesn't do well, it's very discouraging because the amount of hours, time, and effort has gone into it. It's really important if you really love and support someone that you are clicking through their video, and if you see something's not performing well, go leave it a comment, give give it a like. It honestly does help, and it does make the creator a little bit more happy that day. I've never posted on social media as a creator, so that was definitely a new feeling to me. When I see like a video do well versus it not doing well, it's kind of an icky feeling, but I definitely let it go, and I know that the people who want to watch it will watch it. It's not a reflection on me, it's just the topic might not be that interesting to you guys, and it's something that I definitely need to go back to the drawing board and absorb that information and come back with better content. But that is something that you need to realize when you're starting. It does get discouraging, but just keep posting. The right audience will find you, and they will support and love you. And I am so grateful for you guys who do watch my videos and do care and do watch me. I definitely remember all the names and even the people who've been here since day one. I love y'all. I think I spilled way too much tea, but you guys know I am never gonna gatekeep anything from you guys, and I want you guys all to be successful and thriving. So I hope this video was informational. Leave a comment if this helped you. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you guys so much for watching me. I'll see you guys next Sunday.